Hey guys, today we're making Psyche K's favorite treat, coffee jelly. It's a bittersweet, refreshing summer treat originating in Britain and gaining popularity in Japan. Let's see why Psyche K is so obsessed with this dessert.
スプーンを入れると吸い込まれるように入っていきます。その輝きはまるで宝石のよう。お味の方はどうですか、ムガミくん。
なんでお前が出てくんだよ。
First off, we're using cold brew to make our coffee jelly. However, you can use regular instant coffee if you like. We'd add 2/3 of a cup of our coffee to a bowl. Then add 1 packet of gelatin to the coffee and mix it in with a fork. The amount of gelatin will affect the texture of your coffee jelly. The more gelatin you use, the more firm it will be. We then pour the rest of the coffee in a pot and let it heat up to simmer. Then add sugar and then the gelatin coffee mixture and stir until it has no clumps. If you're having trouble with the clumps, you can whisk it slowly until they dissolve. We then add it to our glass and put it in the fridge to cool. Let it sit for 3 hours and voila, coffee jelly. You can top it off with whipped cream, condensed milk, or vanilla ice cream. It surprisingly tastes just like a frappe, so if you enjoy blended coffee drink, this snack is just for you.
あんなもの誰が買うんだ。まったく。僕だ。